Hello everyone, you're welcome to the Delicious Kitchen. Happy to have you all back today with me. Come, let us make this yummy, delicious, peppered cow skin Ponmo. We call this Ponmo. This is omuta. If you really know what is called omuta, you have to watch it to the end for you to understand what I mean by this omuta. Let's get it started. That's what you need. First of all, you need your cow skin. This is already clean, it's already washed, you can see, and then you cut it to that small size that you can take it once into your mouth. You don't need to cut it, just one kalo into the mouth like that. Pour it into a pot and now get your ginger roots, onion, and of course your garlic cloves. All you need to do is just put them in a blender or food processor and mix together. Blend till smooth, and after that all you need to do is take 2 tablespoonfuls aside for later use and pour the rest on top of the Ponmo, the cow skin. Add ginger powder, add Cameroon pepper, curry, add thyme into it, salt, seasoning. I'm using Maggi. I love Maggi. Now add some water. Give it a good stir. I'll now cover and boil until done. But please don't forget to be opening it occasionally and stir. Don't let it get burnt, okay? So our Ponmo is now done. You can see it. So all we need to do now is to take it out of the meat stock. So just drain the water. It looks yummy. You need to taste this. This boiled one tastes super yummy already. So guys, lovelies, that is our boiled cow skin. So now it's time to move on. Add vegetable oil into a pot. Now add your sliced onion into it and fry for about 1 to 2 minutes just to flavor the oil. And I'll be using sliced bell pepper and chili flakes. You can use bell pepper and habanero pepper if they are available, and you can chop them. And that is our 2 tablespoonfuls of that mixed onion, garlic, and ginger we mixed at the beginning. Add curry, add seasoning cube into it, add black pepper, and now mix everything together. Add salt and fry for about 10 minutes. You don't need more than that. All you need to do now is to add your boiled cow skin, the Ponmo, into it. Mix them together and just simmer for about 2 minutes. You don't need more than that. Let it muta, let it drink that pepper. Okay, this one is a must try for everyone. Oh, please, I present it to you. This is our peppered Ponmo. Try this. Get your chilled favorite drink to this and enjoy your Yoruba movie or your American movie, your Netflix. Just keep it on and you enjoy this with your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to share, like, and comment. God bless you. See you next time. Bye bye.